We opened this Rebel shop probably about 10 years ago. I have loads of fun. Business is good. We actually get a few rednecks in here on occasion. You know, that's a good reason to call it a redneck shop. We pride on ourselves on, you know, you can't buy this stuff at Walmart. You know, they're not going to be flying no Rebel flags, and, you know, they're not going to have these golf people come in with, you know, soda bottles stuck in their ears. And so we've had, you know, just loads of fun doing it. We sell motorcycle leather, we sell patches for the leather vest, we sell t-shirts, we've got Rebel flag bikinis, you know, anything with a Rebel flag that we can find, we've got it. From blankets, even saddlebags. So, I mean, one of them we've actually got now is called a Lazy Dog Bomb. It is it's about 2 inches long. That during the war, Vietnam, World War II, they actually threw them out of the airplanes with no kind of nothing. It's just gravity makes a mess when they fly from, you know, 20,000 foot in the air. It is one of the biggest flea markets in Central Arkansas. We have nothing. We live about 45 miles from here, and there's nothing where we are. So it was easier to go to here than it was to Little Rock, and it's actually a lot more community-oriented around these parts than it is over in Little Rock. This flea market has been here for 30 years. So, and we used to come up here all the time shopping or goofing around or whatever, and it's like, we're just opening a shop. Most everything we have in here is what other people have asked for. You know, can you find this? Can you find this? And sometimes we can. Like some of the comical signs, some of the, you know, the license sign. Of course, you know, everybody knows Elvis Presley. It's just fun. You get to meet a whole wide selection of characters.